Arthur's point of view, Yunmin bonded with Cook and decided to enjoy the rest of the vacation together. Cook were very happy to know this. They missed each other a lot. Now they can enjoy it together. It looks like family outing. Tiggy were peacefully enjoying their breakfast. Just then, Cook came there and started talking about they both saw a couple romancing. That couple told them about, as according to them, it was a normal thing. But Cook were totally unaware of it. Both they both started winning to get it. Poor Tiggy tried hard to convince them. They both well aware of this thing, but Jungi and T told their partners about it in alone. But Cook were still not satisfied by their answers. They desperately wanna know it about it. When Jungi was explaining Jimin about its process, Jimin misunderstood him and started peeking on his neck, which easily turned Jungi on. He pushed Jimin a little and went to washroom to solve his problem. T planned some couple activities for them. Let's see what happens next. They both looked upward and saw a girl was standing at the air and suddenly she jumped. Yunmin's breath held. They looked at each other's face, then T Cook. Yunmin, she jumped. T smiled. It's called bungee jumping. We will also do that. Yunmin super shocked. What? Cook happily started jumping while hugging him. Wow, Titi, it was the bestest surprise. Cook is so happy. Let's go. Looked at Yunmin. Chimihangi, Shugahang, let's go. Jimin immediately held Jungi's arm tightly and shook his head vigorously. Jimin, scared eyes. No! Jungi raised his hand. You don't need to worry. I'm here with you. Just look at me. Jimin looked into his eyes. I have fear of height. Jungi cupped his face. You aren't comfortable with it, right? Jimin nodded his head vigorously. Yeah. Jungi, then you don't need to do anything. No one will force you to do anything in which you aren't feeling comfortable. I told you this thousands of times. I'm right here for you. T looked back. Hang, aren't you coming with us? Jungi hit on his head. Stupid, you planned this senseless things for us. T rubbed his head. Ah, why are you hitting me? I planned this for my cuckoo. Jungi, then go and do this stupid thing. We aren't coming with you. T, Hang, no need to scare. Nothing happened. Jungi, I will never allow Jimin to do anything like this. It's so dangerous. Hyang, they are a specialist. Jungi, to the hell with your specialist. Okay, as your wish, don't come, but I'm not scared like you. I will definitely do this. Jungi, what else we expect from a crackhead? T immediately ran to Cook. He was so excited to do bungee jumping with Cook. Yunmin sat on rocky cliff from where they can see T Cook. Jimin was still holding his arm. He is so scared. Jimin, Yun, why? I'm so scared. Jungi, scared, but why? Jimin, because of that point on the station from where bungee jumping does. Jungi, from bungee jumping? Jimin nodded his head vigorously. Jungi, why are you scared? You don't need to do this. You are safe here with me. Jimin quickly hugged him tightly. I know I'm safe in your arms. If you are with me, then nothing happened to me. Jungi smiled and kissed on his forehead. Don't worry, I will always be with you. Jimin, Yun, can I ask something to you? Jungi, if I say no, then you won't ask. Jimin, of course not. I will definitely ask. Jungi, then why are you asking? Jimin, etiquettes, Yun, etiquettes. Yungi, I'm watching your etiquettes. Now tell me what were you going to ask? Jimin, why do it called bungee jumping? Bungee means monkey, na? Which monkey falls from this much height? Yungi smiled. Bungee means electric rope, and since this activity involved jumping off from the higher place with the help of electric rope, that's why it's called bungee jumping. It's nothing related with monkey. Pinched his nose. Did my little Jimmy understand? Jimin giggles. Yeah, Jimmy understood everything. You are so intelligent. You know everything. Yoongi side-hugged him. Well, I know my precious kid is very curious to know about everything, so I have to tell him correctly so that he won't in doubt. Junmin were busy in their question answer session. Just then they heard Cook's voice. They both looked at him and got shocked. Cook shouts, Chimihangi, Sarange, sent flying kiss. Cook was hanging upward down. He was going to do bungee jumping like this. He sent flying kiss to Jimin and jumped. Note, in Born Voyage 4 episode 9, all the members did bungee jumping. Cook did it upwards down and the flying kiss was for Jin. He revealed that later. If you wanna watch, then you can watch it. Episode 10 was all about their chaotic dinner. Jimin, my adventurous cooking. Yoongi, did he lost his brain somewhere in childhood? Jimin, no, I know you are asking this because of his stupid fantasies. Yoongi, I mean, yeah, who did this much stupidity? Jimin smiled. My cookie, he is like this since his childhood. You know, he is always jumping here and there. He effortlessly jumped from the trees after plucking the fruits. He is so adventurous. Yoongi, Yunmin were watching Cook, who was excitedly enjoying bungee jumping and zip lining. He didn't do any activity because he got scared just by seeing the height. Soon they all went to see for their next activity. T. Jimin looked at him. Yes, sir. T. Come join us. We are going on water jet. Jimin, thank you, sir. You both go and enjoy. I will go with you. T. Sugayang hates water. He won't go there. But why are you spoiling your mood? Come with us and enjoy. Cook. T, what happened? Let's go now. T. Wait a minute, Cuckoo. We will go. But first, let me talk with Jimin, okay? Cook. What do you want to talk with him? T. See, I'm telling him to come with us, but he's denying. Jimin. Sir, I'm not denying. I'm just telling you both go. I will come with you. Cook. When did you see cat go in water? Held his hand. You are coming with us. If you stay with cat, then you won't enjoy anything. Arthur. Now, who gonna tell this innocent bunny that our cat already made him enjoy much more things than them? Jimin, if Yun will listen to you, then he won't leave you. Cook, now don't we become an advocate of that cat. What can that cat do? T pulled his ears. That cat is my sugar hang. If he listens, then he won't do anything with you, but definitely he will eat me alive. So it's better to be respectful. Cook, sorry, I won't say anything to that cat. I mean sugar hang. T, it will be good for you. Yoongi shouts, Jimmy, come. Our cat is looking super hot, right? Enjoy it. Jimin happily looked at the sea from where Yoongi's voice was coming. He smiled brightly to see Yoongi with water jet. He was looking damn hot in black outfit and with the black jet, his messy hairs made him even more attractive. Jimin happily went to him and sat beside him, whereas Cook were looking at him with widened eyes and opened mouth. They couldn't digest the fact that Yoongi can be this much daring. They both were in deep shock now, who made them understand that they are still small kids in front of Yoongi. What they couldn't think about to do the things Yunmin already did. Jimin sat beside him and hugged him tightly and placed his face on Yoongi's back. I was missing you, Yun. Yoongi smiled. I only went to bring our water jet. Are you comfortable? Jimin, more than that. Yoongi, are you ready to fly? Jimin, I am always ready to go with you. Yoongi, then tightly hold me. We are going to fly to tea. We will meet you after 2 hours here. Don't search us, okay? Left. Meanwhile, with Cook, they both were standing there dumbfounded. They couldn't process what just happened with them. Cook, Titi, pinch me. That cat took my chimihangi with himself. Tea, Cuckoo, baby, I think I'm in my dreamland. Sugar Hung, who hates water, now riding the jet. Not only riding, he's flying the jet. Cook, Titi, let's go and enjoy our jet riding too. With that, they both also went to their jet riding. See, our tea cook are looking like small kids. Yunmin were enjoying their jet. There were lots of other couples too. Yunmin saw a couple where boy was there red and girl was sitting in front of him. She was giving him. Now what? Archie saw it. Now Archie will do it. Jimin, Yoongi, what happened? Aren't you comfortable? Jimin, I'm fine. I wanna sit in front of you. Yoongi, oh, you mean you wanna ride? Jimin, no, you will ride. I will just hug you. Yoongi, okay, come. Yoongi slowed down the speed and gave him his hand to Jimin. Jimin quickly held it and sat in front of him and hugged him tightly while locking his legs on Yoongi's waist. Yoongi looked at him. Comfortable? Jimin hugged him tightly and smelled his perfume. Yoon, your perfume is still working. Yoongi, it's a strong one. Do you like it? Jimin, very much. Yoongi, okay then, I will buy you for you too. Jimin, I don't want. I will take it from your body. Yoongi curved her. What do you mean? Jimin whispered in his ear. I won't tell you. I will show you. He hugged him more tightly and started rubbing his body on Yoongi's, which obviously gave Yoongi a hard time. Guys, Jimin successfully entered in chat. Yoongi, stay still. Stop moving. Jimin whispered in his ear as he is close to it. Why? Yoongi, stop your action right now because you can't handle my reaction. Jimin whispered, I only want your perfume. Yoongi, you will regret it very bad. Jimin, I won't regret ever. With that, he started trailing his nose on Yoongi's neck to get his smell. Yoongi tightened his grip on the handle. Jimin's every move gave him shiver, and thousands of butterflies started dancing in his tummy. If he never felt anything like this before, no matter how you know about the things, you will only experience the feeling when it happens with you. That exactly happened with Yoongi. On the other hand, Jimin is becoming bold by every passing second. He trailed his lips on Yoongi's neck and started picking there. As soon as Jimin's plumpy lips touched Yoongi's neck, he got goosebumps. He can feel Jimin's every breath, which drives him crazy. He started losing his senses. After all, who can be able to Yungi, breathe heck, don't do this. Jimin, why? Why can't I give you? If you forget, then let me remind you. You are mine. Your soul is mine. Your body is also mine. I can do anything with you, but you can't stop me. Yungi, suddenly what happened to you? Jimin, nothing. See, Dad Hyang and Nona are also doing the same thing. Pointed on a couple who were romancing in public. Yunki, you don't need to do anything because someone is doing that. I am happy with you the way you are. I don't expect anything else. Jimin pressed his body more on Yunki's. I only want you. Yunki smiled. I'm already yours. Jimin bit his right earlobe. Yes, you are mine and only mine. Yunki smirked. I think we need some privacy. Turned the jet on somewhere else. Time skipped at deserted place. Yungi brought Jimin on a deserted beach where is no one else except Yunmin. Yungi doesn't want anyone to see them while doing anything. He wants privacy. Jimin is getting bored by every passing second, which is going very hard for him to control. Yungi parked the jet on the beach and just stepped down. Jimin was still hugging him tightly and continuously peeking on his neck. Yungi made him lay down on the beach. There was a small waves were coming. Jimin Win's heart when Yungi broke the hug. His all the clothes get wet due to water and it became see-through. Jimin was looking at him. His hairs were messy. Yungi hovered over him and started admiring his features. Yungi, beautiful. Jimin looked into his eyes. What are you doing? Yungi, admiring what is only mine, raised his right index finger on his face. Jimin immediately closed his eyes and felt his every touch. Open your eyes. I want you will see me. Jimin immediately opened his eyes. Do you know how much beautiful you look right now? Jimin, I will always be beautiful if you are with me. Yungi, that's true, and I will always be with you. Kissed on his forehead. Jimin held Yungi's waist and flipped him. Or should I say, Yungi let him flip. Now Yungi is laying on the water and Jimin was sitting on his tummy. Jimin, you are looking so hot. Put his hand on Yungi's messy hairs. Yungi, no, I'm just an average looking man. It's you who made me hot. Jimin traced his right index finger on Yungi's Adam's apple. I want this. Peeked on his Adam's apple. He doesn't know how to kiss. Yungi slipped his both the hands under Jimin's wet shirt and started moving all over his bare back. He always wanna feel Jimin's delicate body, and finally today he got the opportunity and he didn't let it go. Jimin was feeling more comfortable and secured in Yungi's arm. He didn't felt uncomfortable. You know why? Because of hormones? Nah, it's because Yungi first made him comfortable with his touch. Now he is comfortable with his forehead kiss, his hovering, his hugging, his little touch. That's why he is now fully comfortable with his each touch. That's the important thing in the relationship, to make your partner feels comfortable with your touch. Jimin started peeking all over his neck. Yungi smiled and giggles on his action. He exactly knows what does Jimin want to do. He didn't get success, which irritated him. Yungi can feel his big pouty lips on his neck. Yungi hugged him more tightly and pulled him on his chest. What happened? Jimin, this stupid neck isn't letting the name to get purple. Yungi, look like you wanna know the process of. Jimin hugged him tightly. Yungi immediately flipped him and carefully let down on him on the water and quickly hovered him. He locked his both the hands with his hands and raised it on his head. He looked into his eyes and said, Yungi, stop me whenever you feel uncomfortable, okay? No need to force yourself. Jimin slowly nodded his head, okay. Yungi, feel everything, okay? Jimin nodded his head. He traced his hand on Jimin's forehead. I love your these cute forehead, kissed on it. I love your these eyes, and I always want to fill them with lots of happiness. Kissed on his both the eyes. I love you, these cute earlobe. Softly, his both the earlobe. I love you, these cute button nose. Kissed on his nose. I love your chip chubby and moochy like soft cheeks. Kissed on his both the cheeks. I love you, these plumpy soft lips. Traced his finger on his lips, and Jimin parted up pale lips a little bit. I love you, these cute little chin. Kissed on his chin. He moved a little down and gently traced his finger on his Adam's apple. Jimin gulped hard. A chill shiver ran down on his spine. Yoongi looked at him with who was closing his eyes and felt Yoongi's touch. A satisfied smile crept on his lips to see him in this state. He gently attached his lips on his Adam's apple and started kissing it without using his teeth and tongue. A soft escaped from his mouth, and he immediately hugged Yoongi's back more tightly. Yoongi placed only few kisses, then moved on his neck, which is super soft and clear. He rubbed his nose in upward down position for a few seconds and gently touched his lips on his neck and started it. He swirled his tongue on his neck. Jimin little loudly. Yoongi started him softly. He was making sure to not use his teeth and hurt his delicate body. He is well aware of his sensitivity. He only for 1-2 minutes. He doesn't want to give him. Jimin was feeling something in his tummy. The whole zoo was dancing in his tummy. He never felt this feeling before. It's all new experience for both of them. Their heartbeats were very high. They can hear each other's heartbeats clearly as here is no one except them. Sea waves were continuously hitting them and made them fully drenched in water. Yoongi looked at him and felt proud to see his messy state. He always imagines Jimin under him and pull on in messy state. He loves to see his this side. The sun started setting. Whole sky turned into orange and reddish shade. Jimin's body was shining because of the sand. He cupped Jimin's face and rubbed his right thumb on his lips. His lips were parted away a little for breathing from mouth. Yoongi came closer to Jimin. They both can felt each other's breathing. Jimin can feel Yoongi's lips close to his lips. Yoongi closed his eyes and about to lean in his lips on Jimin's lips. What? Angry? What do you think? What is going to happen next? Guess. Okay, fine. Let me tell you. You all are. I know you all are lazy. Are you thinking it's a dream? Right? No need to worry. I won't make same plot twice. For your happiness, it's all real. Yoongi was going to kiss him, just then a loud thunder occurs which grabbed Yoongi's attention and came back into his sense. He mentally slapped himself and hugged him. Yoongi, Te amo my Jimin. Jimin hugged him back. Te amo my Yoon. I can't live without you. Never leave me, please. Yoongi, how can I live my life? I also can't live without you. I will never allow you to leave me. I can't imagine my life without you. You are my that desire for which I can fight with God. I will snatch you from anyone and always keep you with myself. You are only mine and mine. Jimin smiled. Yes, I'm only yours and you are only mine. Looked into his eyes. Today you won't say anything in English. Yungi, of course I will. Your smiles are my strength. I have got hope through them. No matter what injustice this world does, my safe haven is in them. Life became more beautiful. Now, where else can heaven be? If you are there to share my pain, my every pain is pleasant. Your heartbeats are my life, your wishes now are my prayers. What a unique bond this is. Our souls unite to be one. Yes, I will be back, come back here to you. This is my promise, even if I die. Yoongi looked at Jimin. Why are you smiling? Do you understand its meaning? Jimin shook his head. No, I don't understand anything, but I know whatever you said by your heart, and it's all so meaningful. Yoongi, don't you wanna know its meaning? Jimin, I want, but I know you will never gonna translate it, so I don't ask you translate it. Again hugged. I'm so happy with you. I don't want anything else in my life except your company. Yunki smiled. Me too. Now let's go back, Jimin. Back hug. But where? Yunki, what where? Did you forget we have to go to Tea Cook? They must be waiting for us. With that, Yungi stood up along with Jimin and went into the sea to clean themselves as they were laying on the beach. So lots of sand sticks on their body and hairs. They both quickly cleaned themselves. Jimin peeked on Yungi's cheeks. They both came out of the sea. Yungi started the water jet. Jimin sat behind him and hugged him tightly. They both went to Tea Cook while smiling. To be continued. Questions. How's the episode? How was your Miss Romance? Wanna see more romance? Arthur's note. That's it for today. I hope you all like it. Happy Roasty. Satisfied with Yunmin's romance? I know you all are very satisfied and want more. You should be happy by this. Yunki is always so soft and gentle while handling Jimin. He just doesn't want to hurt him. Whatever lyrics I wrote were perfectly matched by the situation. I can add songs, but then copyright came, which I don't want. I would like if you do comments about the story rather than asking for next episode. I'm working on it. I don't have magic wand by which I can complete the story in few seconds. Please have some patience and little cooperative. I hope you all enjoyed it. We will meet soon with new episode. Till then, take care of yourself. Love you all. If you like this story, then please do like, subscribe, share, and comment. I assure you that you will never gonna regret on your decision. Thanks for watching.